David, here's your 408 small block Ford. Previous frictionless combination, set of RS cast heads. You must have your own induction. You just got the Dyno stuff on here. It's got custom run hydraulic roller. This is a low compression version and less camshaft. So we'll go in there and make a run and see if she does. Stay tuned. Oak 3500, 472 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 474, peak horsepower 416. So this is basically our 450 version with less cam and compression, so everything's good. We'll pull pipes back here, it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple of things here. When you see this, you need to find a single insert credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will actually have your engine number, some other specs. Need for us, that engine number is the easiest way to look it up. Flip it over, got this QR code. That'll take some more tech stuff. So have a great day.